Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will tell you how you can convert your memory card or pen drive to RAM. Many times when we run our computer we feel the lack of high GB RAM. I hope that this video will help you a lot. Let's start the video. At first, click on Start button and search for services. Click on Services. Try to find Superfetch or Size Main here. It is different in some version of Windows, but it is same, just its name has changed. After that, right click on Superfetch or Size Main and click Properties. Click on Automatic and Apply and OK. Again, right click Superfetch or Size Main and click Start. Now go to Windows Explorer. Insert your memory card or pen drive into your computer. Right click on your pen drive or memory card and format it. Backup all your necessary files if needed. After that, right click on your pen drive or memory card and click on Properties. Click on Ready Boost tab. Click on Use this device and put your maximum memory for good performance and click on Apply and OK. After that you cannot use reserved or remaining space for storage. Now, if you do not want to use this device as RAM, then follow these steps. Do not remove your pen drive or memory card directly. Right click on memory card or pen drive and click Properties. Click on Ready Boost tab. Click on Do not use this device and click Apply and OK. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and this video will help you a lot. Click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for getting our latest videos.